Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Aeropilates replacement parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your beloved reformer, ensuring that every workout session remains as effective and safe as the day you first started, preventing those frustrating interruptions that can derail your fitness journey and keeping your equipment performing at its peak. Number 5. Aeropilates Reformer Home Workout Equipment. Transform your daily fitness with this versatile Pilates reformer. It offers efficient muscle toning and a low-impact cardio workout to support your health and improve balance. Experience peace of mind with its stable steel frame and non-skid supports. The flared, padded platform and footbar ensure comfort and reliability during every exercise session. Adjust the resistance with 4 elastic bungee cords for a personalized workout. The integrated cardio rebounder adds extra options to elevate your fitness routine. When your workout is complete, the foldable frame and wheels make it easy to move and store. Enjoy effective workouts without sacrificing space. Bring effective Pilates training to your home. Boost your strength, enhance your flexibility, and elevate your fitness game like never before. Designed to support users up to 300 pounds and heights from 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. The spacious 24-inch wide platform ensures a comfortable workout. What we like. This reformer offers a complete workout with its versatile capabilities and integrated cardio rebounder. If you're looking for a low-impact way to improve cardiovascular health and muscle tone, this is a great choice. Its foldable design and wheels make it ideal for those with limited space or who need to store it away easily. What people say. It glides smoothly and feels strong and secure. The resistance bands aren't going to pop out and cause damage, and the machine's core doesn't feel janky or cheap. It's fun to use and I was surprised how quickly it improved my posture, after just 3 days, strengthened my back, and tightened my core muscles. I'm happy to report that after using this machine for just a few days doing some of the exercises where I'm pushing the carriage that you lie on, back and forth with my feet and legs, I can now stoop down and get up again without as much effort. One of my knees still kind of hurts, but it feels a lot better going up the stairs and getting up and down. Number 4. Stamina Aeropilates Double Power Cord. Are you looking for an extra challenge in your Aeropilates workouts? These cords are designed to provide just that, offering an additional 40% more resistance. Simply replace the standard cords on your Aeropilates reformer with these 2 included cords. You'll immediately feel the difference with increased resistance. The increased resistance level introduces a new layer of difficulty to your Pilates movements. This helps to train major mobilizing muscle groups more effectively. Getting started is simple. They are compatible with all corded Aeropilates reformers and come with easy-to-follow instructions. Elevate your fitness routine and unlock new levels of strength and endurance. Experience a more challenging and rewarding workout. What we like. Looking to intensify your existing Pilates routine? These double power cords provide an additional 40% resistance, engaging more muscle groups for a deeper challenge. If you've mastered your current resistance levels and want to push your limits, these are a perfect upgrade. What people say. According to the specs, they provide 40% more resistance than the standard cords. The construction quality seems quite good, and I don't have any concerns about them not lasting. The red cords are the strongest cords in the Stamina line. They are not the easiest to replace, but the end result of having more resistance is essential for a good workout. This is the authentic replacement cord. Very high quality. Number 3. StaminaPilates Reformer Stand. Introducing the StaminaPilates Reformer Stand, designed to elevate your Pilates experience. This accessory enhances your workout potential for more advanced movements. Elevate your reformer 10 inches off the ground with the stand. It makes getting on and off your equipment significantly easier. Feel secure during your most intense workouts. Its heavy-duty frame and non-skid legs ensure stability and prevent slipping. Set up and take down your stand with ease. 6 pull pins allow for quick assembly and disassembly, enabling smooth and stable movements. This stand is compatible with a wide range of Aeropilates reformer models. Check the list to ensure it's the perfect fit for your equipment. What we like. This stand is designed to elevate your Aeropilates reformer, making it easier to get on and off and opening up new exercise possibilities. If you find your current reformer height a bit low or want to explore more advanced movements, this stable and safe stand is a great addition. Its easy assembly and disassembly are a bonus for convenience. What people say. It's sturdy and it lifted my performer approximately 10 inches off the floor. The stand went together quickly and is very high quality, and the extra height not only makes it easier to get on and off the reformer, but also allows even more motion range and makes some of the exercises easier to perform without brushing my hands against the floor. The stand itself is much easier to assemble than you'd expect and took me all of 5 minutes, no tools required. Both items arrived well packaged, are very high quality, and worth every penny. Number 2. Stamina Aeropilates Board Reformer. Experience a professional Pilates workout in the comfort of your own home. This reformer features a solid oak wood base and a smooth, elevated design for an authentic studio feel. Tailor your exercise routine with adjustable resistance from 4 heavy-duty springs. Enjoy comfortable, full-body workouts with padded support and versatile hand and foot straps. Boost your stamina and fitness with a built-in cardio rebounder. It provides a low-impact way to tone your abs, glutes, hips, and thighs effectively. With an extended platform travel and an adjustable foot bar, it accommodates users of all heights. Enjoy versatile exercise options designed for your comfort and needs. Get started right away with included workout DVDs and online programs. This comprehensive system supports your journey to improve strength, flexibility, and balanced alignment. What we like. Experience a professional Pilates workout at home with this studio-grade reformer featuring a solid oak wood base. If you desire a premium feel and enhanced durability, this is the one. Its extended platform travel and adjustable features make it suitable for taller users and those seeking a comprehensive, high-quality home fitness solution. What people say. The machine is very heavy-duty, nice to look at, and works great. The carriage is very quiet and smooth. It's sturdy and well-made, mostly. It's aesthetically pleasing. The reformer is sturdy and works well for someone my size, 5 feet 5 inches 130 pounds. Reformers are amazing exercise equipment because the variety of exercises you can do are endless, and it works parts of your body in ways that no other equipment can do. Number 1. Aeropilates by Stamina Pull-Up Bar Pulley Riser. Introducing the Aeropilates by Stamina Pull-Up Bar Pulley Riser. This attachment seamlessly integrates upper body exercises into your existing reformer routine. Expand your workout possibilities. This versatile attachment allows you to effectively target your back, shoulders, biceps, triceps, and core with adjustable resistance. Engineered for a perfect fit. It's specifically designed for 3, 4, and 5-chord Aeropilates reformers equipped with pulley risers, ensuring stability and compatibility. Switch between exercises in moments. It attaches and detaches effortlessly from your reformer, providing quick access to a wider range of workouts. Built for lasting performance. The sturdy steel frame guarantees stability, while the padded grip ensures comfort, allowing you to focus on your training. What we like. Add a new dimension to your reformer workouts with this pull-up bar attachment. If you want to target your upper body, including back, shoulders, and arms, this accessory is a must-have. Its easy attachment and durable construction make it a convenient way to expand your exercise repertoire. What people say. It does take some getting used to it. That said, I'm 78 and I've been doing Pilates for almost 20 years. I bought my first Pilates reformer in '99, bought the second one in 2019, this one is much better than the original. It fits the holes perfectly like other users said, but it wobbles. My husband wrapped some black electrician tape around the bar at the top section of the hole, no wobble. Was compatible with my 17-year-old Aeropilates and I love it. It's a great addition as a workout for your arms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.